Hi, my name is Jose Castillo, and I wanted to tell you that I'm a patient from Dynamic Therapy, and I wanted to tell you that I had a surgery in my left side knee uh, back in April, and I came to this place. It's a very good place. I recommend it to everybody. The staff that they have in this place is a very good people. They're very kind, they're very respectful, and they treat me very good. Okay, it's a place that is located right over here in Hillside Avenue and 264th Street. The people are very nice, like I said. When I was when I had my surgery, I was very bad. I spent couple of months with bed pain, and I couldn't walk and I couldn't get up. And today I'm very pleased for the treatment that they have given me. And I walk, and I very good today. I can tell you that I probably can dance very good already because I'm so good. I'm so pleased with these people. These people are very glad that I have them, and I recommend it for everyone that goes through surgeries. They do a treatment to you like your family, okay, and they treat you so well. So if you have anything in the future or whatever with surgeries, don't hesitate to come to this place, okay, because they treat you very good. I have